What if you were told that the words you use, the sentences you construct, and even the way you comprehend language all have a deep-rooted connection to your cognitive processes? This fascinating interplay between language and cognition is the essence of a field known as psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics, a branch of linguistics, delves into the relationship between language and cognitive processes, namely language comprehension, production, and acquisition. It seeks answers to how humans use language, how language processing occurs in the mind, and how language is learned and acquired. The first specific area psycholinguistics explores is language comprehension. It aims to understand how people decode the meaning of words, sentences, and text. This involves deciphering spoken words, reading written text, and comprehending sign language. Next comes language production. This investigates the processes involved in producing various forms of language, from generating individual words to constructing complex sentences. This is the part where you think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. Thirdly, we have language acquisition. It studies how children learn their first language and how adults learn a second language. This segment explores the fascinating journey of language learning from infancy to adulthood. Another intriguing branch is language disorders. This delves into the causes and effects of language disorders, such as aphasia and dyslexia. It seeks to understand why some people struggle with language and how these struggles impact their lives. Then there's neurolinguistics, which explores how language is represented and processed in the brain. This field straddles the line between linguistics and neuroscience. Word and grammar processing is another area that studies how words and grammar are processed in the mind, including how we recognize words and construct grammatical structures. Language interaction is all about understanding how language is used in social interactions and how social context influences language use. It's about the conversation, the back and forth, the give and take. Language development studies the changes in language over time and how languages evolve within societies. It's about how languages grow, change, and sometimes disappear. Cognitive psycholinguistics investigates the cognitive aspects of language use, such as the role of memory and attention in language comprehension and production. Lastly, experimental psycholinguistics uses experimental methods to test hypotheses about language processing in the human mind. To summarize, psycholinguistics delves into the intricate relationship between language and cognitive processes. It covers a wide range of areas, from language comprehension and production to language acquisition, disorders, and interaction. It also explores neurolinguistics, word and grammar processing, language development, cognitive psycholinguistics, and experimental psycholinguistics. Understanding these areas helps us appreciate the complexity of language and its profound impact on our cognitive processes.